Here's a nice view of Tormenta from a little over the fence. You can see right there is the thing that they use to check clearance, I believe. So they will run this through the entire layout to make sure the clearance is okay to operate the ride. You can kind of see a little bit of the work that they've been doing on the bridge that was the original entrance to the swinging ship. They have, the station is looking really nice. You can kind of see in there, you can't really see much though. I know they have the gates working, and they have started groundwork and foundation work on the restaurant, Casino Abuela. So it's looking pretty nice. So here in Buffalo Trading Post, if you guys know, there are windows here, but they've covered the windows up with this nice buffalo design to block the view of anyone trying to get a look at Casino Abuela and Tormenta. So unfortunately, you cannot use these windows to take a look at the construction site right now.
And you can be a part of the excitement. Upgrade today's Park Admission to a 2026 season pass for only $29 and get access to your favorite parks, including Six Flags Over Texas, Six Flags Fiesta Texas, Schlitterbahn Water Parks, Hurricane Harbor, and Frontier City for the 2026 season. Plus,
as you can see, the train tracks are still covered up. They put like wooden pallets under them to not get them damaged when they had to fill in all the dirt. Hopefully we see the reroute of that railroad come hopefully soon, because they got to get that open when Tormenta opens. Can't really see much, but that's kind of where the track goes. I think they're gonna do a hard right turn there, go through some of the supports. Just gotta make sure the clearance is okay with the trains and stuff, but we'll have to see what happens. Here's what it looks like right now. It's crazy how much they've cleared it out, and this is just gonna turn into a parking lot. You can kind of see they've been working on some of the fencing for the low sections, low zones for the parking lot, because this is gonna turn back into a parking lot, so people will be able to park right under Tormenta and get some incredible views of this ride. Don't expect to be able to get too close to the ride, just because the nature of it, it's 300-foot tall roller coaster, so I'm sure there's gonna be more fencing than just that. But yeah, they've been working pretty hard to get this ready. There's a better view of the maintenance shed. You can see that there are no trains in there right now, but it has been completely built out with the roof and everything. It looks like there's just some colored plywood on the side. Hopefully that changes to like tile or whatever they want it to look like. But yeah, with the clearance tester thing, I could see this thing start testing hopefully within 2 weeks or so. I know I keep saying that every time I'm here, but I am pretty confident that this thing will start testing in 2 weeks. So with that being said, that's going to do it for today's quick little construction update here at Tormenta Rampaging Run. The ride is looking really incredible. There's a better view of that low zone fence that they've put in place. But thank you guys for watching. We'll be back out here tomorrow because the park did close a little bit early. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.